What's up, dudes? Who we got here already? Just pull this down real quick here. Currently in a short position. I've been in for just a little while. Probably the last 20 minutes or so. This is on Top Step. Four contract short micro, by the way. I'm looking to cover about the 485 area, give or take. I don't like that gap up though. I want to lessen my risk. How we all doing? Say hello in the chat. Keeps gapping. I don't like when it does that, so I lessen my risk. If it shoots down from here, great. If not, then it is what it is. Who do we have? No one said anything in the chat. Say hey. Don't be shy. Come on, keyboard warriors.
Order filled.
Just kidding. All right, we could be making a new, a little reversal here. It's kind of been chopping to the downside, but if we can get above this 500 area, I'll start looking for some long. Orange Toad, good evening, bro. John, just joined the stream. What's up, brother? How art thou? I'm not going to be on forever tonight, just 30 minutes or so. Trying to make a little bit of chitta. Here lately, every night I've been doing pretty well, on and off stream. I did really well today too. We need $410 to pass this eval on Top Step, and we'll get back funded for our second account on Top Step. You know, if I wouldn't have taken my payout, we'd be set right now. with a nice little buffer, everything would be good. Wouldn't have blown my account. But I'm sitting strong with a bunch of paid or funded Apex. Looking good over here. Ooh, so bright. Need just a little bit of light. I get it from the desktop window there. All right, it's coming back down. Kind of made a lower high here. So 33 Cobalt. Welcome to the stream and thanks for your subscription.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and take another short, and I'm going to put my stop at the high here, or the lower high. I'm going to
order filled. Order
get
filled.
half a mini in there. I like the momentum. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Can she
Order
keep
filled.
going though? That's the thing. I think so. Let's make a little bear flag here and keep going south. Look at that little cross there. Thank you, Lord, for your sacrifice. Little bear flag. Come on, baby. How are we looking on the 5 minute? Oh yeah, 5 minute looks bearish. Super bearish. When did I add a 6th contract in? Beats me. All right, we're going to pass this eval tonight. I'm feeling it. We need, let's see, $300, and price needs to come to about right here because I'm about to scale in a little bit more.
Order filled. Order filled. Order
I'm going to
filled.
go into a whole mini. This is the 5 minute chart, by the way. It's going to take a minute, though, to get down. We really just need $300. Pretty sure. Close to. I can't believe I forget to unmute myself. But yeah, if price can, we just need to make $300 and we're done on this eval. But I'm gonna trail my stop. I don't know if you guys heard that or not. And if price can hit to about $100, I will set my stop to break even. You know, plus $10 or something like that. But for now, we'll keep it at 120-ish. She definitely looks like she wants to come down some more. I feel like it needs to come down more if it wants to go up. So, yeah. Come on, Nasdaq. Don't reverse on me. The 1 minute looks reversal territory. 5 minutes still looks okay. 15-minute looks even better. Beautiful. If we can just get below and close below all of this chop. We still have 12 minutes on the 15. 30 looks very bearish. 1 hour, very bearish. I'm actually going to, because of this, quit. Place a few trades here on my funded futures. I'm gonna sell an NQ.
Order filled.
This is the 5 minute, by the way. Got one sold on my funded futures. I'm gonna take one on all of my PAs.
Order filled.
Sell one. I didn't mean to do that without a stop loss there, but whatever. Another PA strategy, John.
Order
sell.
filled.
PA strategy, John. Sell.
Order filled.
PA strategy, John.
Order
sell.
filled.
Got one more. Where are we at?
Order filled.
Put 2 contracts on that one. Everything's in the hole, $15 right now, but it'll be all right, hopefully. And if we lose, whatever, it's all good. I just really like this 1 hour chart here, man. It's the 1 hour and the 30-minute look bearish. Price struggling to go higher. It's looking good. We'll see. All right, I'm gonna set this to where I can watch both. I want to be able to see my PAs here, especially this one with no stop loss.
Order submitted.
Where's my stop on that one? 23, 495. Close enough. Can't even see both of them, can you? Switch back over to the 5 here. And then put that there. Cool. All right, nice little bear flag playing out just like I thought it would. I'm ready to put my stop loss, though, to break even. So I wish the market would hurry up and start selling off.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, so I just need price to reach about here. Ben VDM 95, short all day from now, creating head and shoulders. Yes, sir. I've taken a trade in almost all my accounts, all my funded accounts, and yeah, I'm positive we're coming down for a little while. And I'm just putting this there for a mental note of where 300 is currently, because I don't want to stop myself out of take profit. I definitely want to see price come down to VWAP for sure on 5-minute chart. I know you can't see that right now, but I'll scooch it over. We're not like terribly far, but price has to eventually come back down to it. You know what I mean? So I even see the retest of 23,000. Yeah. Could be in the cards, huh? 23,000. That's a pretty nice haul down. I don't know that we'll reach 23,000. I feel like it's got to make a new low, but I don't think it's going to go to 23,000. But I'm not predicting the market. I can't predict the market, so I don't know. Could be. How much are we down? Not a whole lot. We're good. I just don't want it to hit my stop loss. Let's go. That 30-minute chart looks spectacular, though, don't it? Looks beautiful. That is like the absolute perfect short setup. Perfect. I mean, at least for 20 points. Can't really tell you where the market's going to go, obviously, but still, I mean, it's looking good. Looking real good. And you can see my trades on the top right of your screen, how much I am on all of the funded accounts there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 funded accounts trading. Do I have a take profit on these? Wrong one. Yeah, it's way down here, 451, so below VWAP. Let's just sit here and chill and watch the sell-off begin. How's that eval orange toe? Have you passed it yet? Not to put you on the spot or anything. I know stuff happens. I blow accounts all the time, so it's not like if you failed it, no big deal. You have to fail accounts. This is part of it, you know? Come on, Nasdaq. Let's push a little faster than this. Globex. I just need it to work a little faster, that's all. Man, this 30-minute chart just looks so pretty. Sorry, brother, I heard you say my name, but I had to step away to get some water, so couldn't catch all of what you said. I was asking how that eval is going that you won on my channel here, on my live stream. Just wondered how it went, and I also said that if you blew it, no big deal. I was just curious. Hoping for a nice little update. Switch over to the 5 for a moment and just check it out. We have to get down below this chop mess here. We have to. Otherwise, it's going to push back up. And if it don't, I'm not sure what it's going to do, but really need to. Not bad, slow but steady, not blown yet. Haha, not trying to blow it. Good. Don't blow it, man. You got it. Got faith in you. Yeah, price needs to get below, close below here for me to be ecstatic about this trade long term. So far, we're still at break even on all our trades. Then VDM still has to make the right shoulder. Better put a stop loss at 510. What chart are you looking at? The 5 minute or the 1 minute? You're probably looking at the 1 minute. I mean, if you can see, we're in a downtrend channel. Daniel, thank you for your subscription. Do you trade gold as well? No, sir, I don't. Sometimes I'll throw in a nice little trade, but not typically. Mostly Nasdaq. 2 minute for the moment. Gotcha. Head and shoulder, where you at? I mean, you can kind of consider this a shoulder, a head, and then I guess another shoulder or shoulder here. I don't know. I definitely see the momentum to the downside coming. Needs to hurry up though. Where's my other chart at? Let's slow go with this night trading. Honestly, I just want to hit my 3,000. Oh man, I moved my thing. That's what that was for. 300 is the mark on that. 478. Nasdaq, you're just not wanting to give it up, are you? We have to get below. There's a nice little gap to the downside on the 30-minute chart. Now that I like. If you look at the 4 hour, let me just zoom back down. Well, that's perfect actually. I feel like we come at least to the halfway mark where my take profit is currently. At least half of this candle. And it's probably going to wick back up and maybe even go up. But I feel like we have to come down quite a bit. So just my thoughts. Not financial advice, obviously. Chris Peters, good evening. Good evening to you, sir. You too, sir. I can't talk. I'm really tired. How you like that 30-minute chart, man? Looks beautiful, don't it? Let me stretch it out, make it even more pretty. Rejection. Rejection. Boom. I've taken a trade on all of my funded accounts to the downside. I could regret it later, but I don't think so. We'll see. We need a 30-minute bear flag. I don't want to see it make a new high, and look what it's doing. Ugh. I'm going to set my stop a little bit higher. Risk 200. Edgar, how you doing? Good to see you, brother. I know you shouldn't move your stop, but my stop's at 501 on all the other trades that I have, so I'm just going with the same flow. Look at that. Nice little lower high. Come on. Don't make a new high. Don't you do it. We can't be having this, Nasdaq. Don't do it. Nasty. Dirty dog. Man, you sucker.
Order filled.
Stopped out on one of my accounts. I don't know which one. Oh, one of my PAs on Apex. I was trying to wick out. I don't want it to do that. Now it's creating the right shoulder. Yeah, probably, man. I feel like it's gonna have a long wick. I would really appreciate if it did, honestly. I need my stop at the high on all of these accounts. Just because I don't want to be wicked out. I'll get back in on this one here shortly. It might actually chop too in this area. Maybe Apple plus Trump will take us to new all-time high in Q. Hopefully Trump's in bed and not tweeting. Unless he's talking tariffs, then I don't want him to tweet. Nice little gap down. This is the 5-minute there. And this is 30. What's up, Massey? How you doing? Just to fill you in, we've taken a trade on all of our funded accounts to the short side, and we're kind of down right now. I'm in a mini and a eighth, and then one mini and 3 micros, and then the rest of them are all minis, 1 mini each. It could just keep wicking up like this. As long as we don't make any new drastic highs, I'm still happy. This is going to be a long wick on the 30-minute. I just feel it. Looks like a little bull flag though, don't it? On the 1 hour. But all this rejection has me pretty confident to the downside. As long as this continues to confirm rejection. We've tried to go up, but we can't. So it might just chop up, chop down, something, who knows. Hopefully down. But maybe Ben is right. creating the new leg, or the shoulder, the final shoulder to go down. Regardless, we have plenty of drawdown. These accounts are above the 50K mark. So I'm willing to take a little risk. I can risk about 500 bucks on each account. 500 to 700. Look at that. Love it. What's that look like on the 5? Ooh, huge, huge rejection. That is a beautiful sign too. How are we looking on the 1? All right, so I'm actually going to put a few more contracts in on micros. I'm going to do a mini and a half.
Order
So
filled.
2 more micros. Switch back over to the other layout so you can see the chart better. Yeah, I'm very happy with the way the charts are looking, pending we stay where we are. I just don't want to be wicked out. That's why my stop is so high up right now. But I'm willing to risk that, you know what I mean, to make that. But honestly, I only need this, the blue line, for this account. But my other accounts, we still need like 2,500 bucks. But they're copy trading, so they're all doing the same thing here. And then my other funded accounts, I'll go ahead and just pop it up. Back to break even. Now we just need to pop lower. Like it's doing now. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, so I'm about to push my stop to break even. I'm going to let it continue to ride just a little bit more before I do that. We're up about 400 bucks right now. 300 bucks right now on our funded accounts. Looking good. And then we have another 3 accounts with 150 plus. So 5, 6, 7, 8, $850 so far on this trade. Actually more now. Almost $1,000 total. Mostly funded. All these are funded that you can see on the top right of your screen there. All right, we're going to go ahead and go break even just under. Just to forget fees. All right, so now we're in a free trade, ladies and gentlemen. Free trades all across the board. Free trade, free trade. Free trade. Actually, on the funded accounts, I'm going to go ahead and secure my 50 or more for the day. I don't care if they stop out. Just because they're funded and trailing drawdowns, a pain in my rear. All right, so we're good there. Come on, Nasdaq. Let me make the pass the account here. Jeez. Don't hit my stop. Please don't hit my stop. All right, I'm going to go ahead and secure just a little bit more here on this one too. Just because, yeah, I want to inch towards that $3,000 profit target. But I'd really like to stay in this trade as long as possible. And there it goes. Which one do we still have open? Break even on this one. All right, that's okay. Still have 2 in. I didn't even realize that was an eval. The one we're watching now, eval. Cool. It's a 150K eval. I thought it was my PA. My PA sits up there at the top. All good though. We'll get it. Wow, we got 52 people watching. What's up, 55 people? Make sure y'all hit that like button and that subscribe button because we trade live. And just because I asked, I guess. I don't know. Show your support.
Order filled.
All right. At least we made $50, but I'm going to jump back in because I'm still confident on the move down. I'm going to stay in it. I don't know. What's up here? Okay, the chart is moving. I thought it wasn't moving for a second. I hate when it freezes up like that. Anyway, you can see my profit and loss over here on the right side of your screen, top right. So you can still keep up with the trade that's on this chart. I just want to see this one because I'm really trying to pass this. 725, we need, excuse me, $275. How are we looking on the 5? Let's just check it out. I want to see it come up half of this candle and then I'll start adding more. Put a little more micro contracts in. You sucker. I hate whenever it goes into the green and then I start adding contracts and then boom, goes back up. So I want to catch the DCA.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Come on, Nasdaq. Let's go. Rip to the down. We're definitely going to hit this VWAP. There's no doubt in my mind. The Finster. 'Tis late. Yes, it is late. And I have to get up in the morning. I don't think this is going to be a big drop. There's definitely a reversal coming once the sell orders are filled. Yeah, it may take a while, huh? I'm scalping it though. Yeah, same here, man. I'm just trading, and like whenever it goes to a certain number, like let's say 100, 150 bucks, I'll take my 50 or a break even trade. Yeah, we are in the dead hours of the market. Oh yeah, 100%. It's 10:15. But she's moving a little more than normal. Gotta give her that. All right, guys, if we can hit that like button and reach 50 likes, I'll do an Apex giveaway. But Apex has to send me some more giveaway or some more accounts because I'm currently out. But they always send me more, so I'll just keep a running list. Tomorrow will be a big day for New York Open. We're gonna retake so many highs. Oh yeah, probably so. Unless something crazy happens and Trump talks more about tariffs or who knows. But yeah, I think so too, man. I think it's going to be a nice little play to the upside tomorrow. This is gonna be my last trade of the night, though. Yeah, Trump, bro. Guy needs to turn off his phone during market hours. Yeah, sometimes. He needs to say buy now, buy, like 500 times when I'm in a long position with no take profit. Trump daddy. True, he needs to shield crypto again. Yeah. I remember when I was in Doge and Elon Musk, every time he tweeted, man, it was like a beautiful thing because my net worth increased. Niraj, I think I said that right. I'm not sure. Hopefully I didn't butcher your name. Are you short or long right now? I am short currently. Daniel, how do you feel about straight to
Order
funded
filled.
accounts?
Stop filled.
I feel like they are great. I just don't like the consistency rules. The Finkster short. Oh, yeah, he's answering your question. Yeah, I just don't like the consistency rules at all. So that's the only thing I don't like about it. But it's okay. I'm pretty consistent, but sometimes I just let my trades run and I can't help it. Got to do it. Nighttime, should I leave a call open for the night and just no stop? I don't know, man. I don't trade options. 20% or so. I think Trump showing off at the WH roof is a sign of bullish market. Yeah, but I feel like it has to come down a little bit now, collect some of this liquidity down below, and then go up. I'm trading futures. I'm just used to call put lingo, not short long. I got you. I will probably be taking a short micro one contract position overnight in one of my 150Ks. No stop, no take profit. Just gonna let it play out. Wake up to a loss or positive gain. I like to do it a few times a week just to pass a few accounts, you know. Trucker Scott, I love tariffs. You love them when you're in a short position, right? Thing is, though, lately, tariff talk hasn't really been moving the market as much. It's like we've gotten used to Trump's BS, right? Daniel Taco. I had a taco today. It was good. All right, another bear flag playing out, boys. Let's get it. This is the 5 minute.
Order filled. Order filled.
Nasdaq, you got to give it to us. We're in one mini contract. 10 micros, one mini.
Order filled.
Taco. I like tacos. Thanks, Daniel. So we need 300, 280 is about there. Still in that downtrend channel here. Because of this, I'm having a hard time going long, but we are coming to some area of interest for me. And we are chopping sideways currently. So the 30-minute chart still looks like a banging bearish. Trump always chickens out. Taco. Ah. LOL on tariffs. Holy moly, is this a giant head and shoulders on the 1 hour? This is the 1 hour. It's a, I don't know, a double top. Could be whatever you want to call it, man. I'm not sure. The 15-minute kind of have a little head and shoulder here. Shoulder, head, shoulder, head. Who called it out? It was Ben, I think. Yeah, Ben. Called the head and shoulder on the 2-minute chart. Looks like a little head and shoulder on the 5-minute. 1 minute looks trendy. I really like the 30-minute and 1 hour though. Not gonna lie. Still want to get short on all of my accounts again. I'm just gonna set the copier. Alright, this one is 9. Can't trade that one. I got one on.
Order filled.
We should be in. It's not copy trading. Why? Oh, that will do it. One moment, guys. All right. Come on, Nasdaq. Don't do me dirty.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, cool. Good night. Leaving 5 long micros overnight. Wish me luck. Good luck, sir. Hope it all works out. I mean, look at this. It just looks amazing to the downside, don't it? Earlier, my stop was up here, and then I kind of put it to a break-even trade, but I don't know. Currently down $15 on all my funded accounts. She's going to take her sweet time pushing to the downside. Nazzy, come on down. Even the 1 hour still looks great. 4 hour, I really want to see it retrace half of this wick. About where my stop is. I mean, it's got to, right? Daniel, when is the last time you went on tilt? Probably a couple months ago. I haven't been on tilt in a while. I don't go on tilt very much either. Sometimes if I have a bad day in life outside of trading, I'll just kind of have I don't give a crap mentality and then just whatever. I've blown a lot of accounts doing that too. But I don't do that. I'm mature and pretty calm actually. I'm probably the most calm person I know. And people actually say that to me in my day-to-day life. Even on my streams, people say that. People say I'm one of the most calm traders they've seen, which is a blessing and a curse at times. In trading, it's a blessing. Absolutely. Well, yeah, tilts for newbies. I'm not a newbie. I guess we all have bad days, and sometimes, I have some careless moments, but I wouldn't really call that tilt. I've been green every day lately, so I haven't lost much. I'm sitting on an average of 60 to 80% win rate currently. I think we're at like a 60 currently. 62. It's not terrible. And here's my stats. So pretty consistent. We're up 1,100, 1,000, almost 1,000. I had a bad week this week. Wasn't terrible, but it wasn't that good. And then this week has been pretty good. Yesterday we made 1,000. Today, I traded a lot of micros today, scaled in, lost a couple trades, but so that's why you see the high number of trades, micro trading. Virtue. Nice, thanks for sharing. John the Moses, that's a virtue to control temper. Appreciate it, man. Thanks for the kind words. I don't like that gap up on the 30-minute, though. Ugh. I do like the wicks, though, so. Yeah, controlling temper is pretty tough sometimes, but for the most part, I'm pretty calm. I'm blessed, for sure. I really need this thing to hurry up, though, because I do want to go to bed. I want to pass this trading combine. So, backstory for all the people that are watching. We have like 60 people watching. I had a Top Step account. It was my very first Top Step. I've always traded Apex, and I've taken payouts everywhere, but Top Step, I've never traded Top Step. And got my first account, passed it, got it funded, and got my first payout on Top Step. And that was just like a few days ago that I actually received the money. We took $850, so half of the buffer, and yeah, so same day that I took the payout, I switched from trading micros to minis, which is fine, and I took a killer trade. Like, I would have taken this trade every day if it's presented to me, literally. I would take it right now. I wouldn't full port, but never full port. But I would definitely take a considerable trade with that setup every time it pops up. And, a couple trades later, I blew it. So typically, I like to build a substantial amount of buffer before I switch from micros to minis, and I didn't follow my rules. And yeah, so I guess I had a little bit of an ego because I took a payout on Top Step, and it wasn't a crazy good payout. It was only $850. So yeah, I guess I don't know if it was ego, which I don't think it was, but I think it was just overconfidence, to be honest with you, and the bomb trade, the great trade that presented itself. I mean, this trade is like a 90% win rate trade, 95 or better, and that 5% got me, I guess, you know. Anyway, the account was lost. Now I have 3 that I'm working on. I thought I had 4, but I don't know what happened to the 4th one. Maybe I didn't buy a 4th one. I don't know. But I'm trying to build my Top Step accounts back up. I want to make, 150 a day on each one, just to show people 5 accounts, 150 a day. That's a substantial amount of money. Here, let me just do the math real quick. I don't remember what it is. 150 times 5. That's $750 a day. And then you multiply that by 5 days in a week for the trading days. That's almost $4,000. It's 3750 a week just trading Top Step. Pretty good, right? Now, it's nothing new for me on Apex or other accounts, but Top Step, I want to build up my account numbers. Here lately, I've been so busy, though, I haven't been able to trade much, so I'm really just happy with $50 a day on each of my accounts, literally. $50, just work towards, a sizable payout in the future. 50, sometimes I'll 200 bucks. Yesterday or today, I made like 200 bucks, 250 for the day on my PAs on Apex. I did okay. I didn't do too great, but I really like to hit that $500 mark. Blues Trades, hey there, it's your neighbor in War Trace. Hey, how you doing? Long time no talk. I was in Huntsville today, all day, literally all day. Look at this killer setup on the 1 hour and 30-minute chart. It's pretty beautiful. Nasdaq, don't do this to me now. Let's push down. Yeah, just getting off work. I go to Huntsville quite often. It's almost as close as Nashville. Yeah, true. Jeff, thank you for your subscription, sir. Much appreciated. Welcome in. Brent Beavers. I live in North Alabama. Nice, man. Where at? I was in Huntsville. Where was it? Madison, Alabama.
Stop filled.
All right, so we have 20 minutes left of this candle. Hopefully it's another wick like this one. But it's not looking very good, is it? We're down $80 per account. I heard my stop got filled. I think that was on my PA 9. 19. I don't know. I'm still fine with the trade. Sorry, let me catch up on my chat here. I already know Apex will deny my payout for contract inconsistency and the improper risk management, but I'm just going to continue building the account. How many contracts do you trade, and how much buffer do you have currently? Lauderdale County now. I did live in Madison County. Okay, cool. I own a business, so that's why I was out there. I spray fertilizer, weed control on lawns. Fertilizer and herbicides. Come on, give me that wiki wick. What's the 1 hour looking like? 4 hour. Here's that shoulder. It's gotta come down now, guys. If it don't, not looking too good. I like North Alabama. There are some nice areas in North Alabama. Today I was in an area that I've never been before, and very nice. Very, very nice. Pretty impressed with the lawns. Bermuda. All right, how many likes do we have? 25. 25 more and we'll give away an Apex account. But you'll have to let me owe it to you for a few days. I gotta wait on Apex to give me some more accounts. Usually they send them they're pretty on top of things, so they'll come quick. Just let me get your email, I'll get you all situated. I already owe 1 currently. We've given away tons of accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Almost 20 accounts in total so far. I'm a new streamer, so we haven't been doing this very long. But I like giving away accounts. Really like it. And if you guys buy any accounts on Apex, make sure you use my code JSDT. Try my code on any of your favorite prop firms. J is in John, S is in Sam, D is in Day, T is in Trader. Appreciate the support. The Apex is 80%. Yes, sir. Currently, oh, I have it on here as 90, don't I? I changed that already. At least I thought I did. It's hard to keep up sometimes. Is that the right one? 90. Got a different one. I don't know which one it is. 90. What's this one? 90. How many 90s do I have? And last one. 50. I'll have to fix it later. Oh, I do have one more. Let's see. 90. Well, Apex is 80% off, not 90, by the way. Thanks for bringing that to my attention. Where is it? I must have overrid it, whatever, however you say that. It was overwritten. Let's see. Edgar Leon, I got 1 eval today on your JSDT. Thanks. Hey, I appreciate you. All that money that I'm earning from affiliate income is going back to the community. Beautiful cross. Thank you, Lord, for your sacrifice. I blew my 20 PAs I've had for at least a year. Even experienced traders like myself can let the emotion monsters creep in. Heck yeah, man. I've done it. Let me tell you, it's been... I got a payout this past week, right? But before that, I hadn't had a payout in 2 months. 2 months, bro. Not because I'm not capable, but because it just wasn't. I don't know. I was getting a little bit too much. I can't even make an excuse. I don't know. We should go all the way and touch the top of that big red candle to your left. You think so? I'm not liking the upward momentum. If we break this area here, like I can even move my stop. That's how sure I am. If we break that, then I don't want to be in the trade. Sod. Yo, what's up? So I got banned from Apex to get new accounts. Do you know how to get debanned or it's dead? 100%. Start a YouTube channel. Jeff Koski, I'm within 650 of my first payout. Nice, man. Congratulations. That is something to be proud of, man. 100% proud. I'm proud of you, sir. Jeff Koski. All right, it looks like we're about to take a little bit of a loss. We're down $95 on each of my funded accounts currently. Charles Zhang, is Apex still 90? No, it's 80. I have to change the... I'll just do it real quick. I thought I changed it, but I guess I didn't. But I'll change it now. Might as well. I don't want to confuse anybody. GIF. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. We're working on it. Now, if this is another higher low blues trading, then we come down. If we go above this candle here, this red one that you were talking about, I definitely don't want to be in the trade. Yes, I'm trading combines right now. I did have a funded account express, but I blew it the day I got paid. Just for a little backstory, I had a nice account. I had a nice little payday. First account on Top Step. I've never been a big fan of Top Step, but I'm starting to like them a little bit. But anyway, I took my payout, and I like the other prop firm rules because you have to reach your 3K, and then even then you can only withdraw 500 bucks on it, like on Apex. You have to build up that buffer, right? And then the buffer is your kind of, I don't know how to explain it, but then you got to build up a little more buffer to take a payout. I like that better. So normally I wouldn't have taken a payout, but I did because I'm always telling everyone else to take their payouts. So I took my payout just to practice what I preach, but I regret it, to be honest with you. All right, so looks like we're in reversal territory. I'm not really sure. If we lose the trade, no big deal. All right, trade's over. Let me just catch up on the chat real quick here. All right, I fixed the Apex coupon code, by the way. It shows properly now. Gio Torres, are you trading combines right now? Yes, sir. I have 3 copy trading each other. Now we're down $200 on each one. It happens. The only flaw in my trading is always me. Oh, yeah, 100%, man. Same here. Always me. Can't blame it on anyone but myself. Brent Beavers, I prefer Blue Ski now. I've never traded Blue Sky. Chris Peters, can you build your account up over several weeks, then take a big payout? Yeah. $10,000 is the max, and you'll get 5,000 of it. So, yeah. I think that's how it works with Top Step. I'm not sure. So, I just know you can build up to, you can take a payout. I think the max is like 5 or 10,000. Anyone want to chime in and let us know, because I'm not too sure. See, now we got wicked out and didn't close above this candle. So maybe it's going to work out to the downside a little bit more. We're down 135 on all my funded accounts currently. I'm still in the trade on my PAs. So this is an eval, my funded futures eval. But my PA accounts, we're down. My stop's at 501. We've been in this trade for a little while, it looks like. But yeah, I want to build my account to 10,000 and take a $5,000 payout. Or I don't know. I just want to build the buffer. That's all I care about. Gio Torres, I've gotten payouts. You can withdraw 50% of your account once you get 5 winning days of 150 or more. Yeah, when I took my payout, it was $200. But yeah, I just wanted to know the max you can take. I can't remember. Brian Carr, thank you for subscribing, man. Welcome to the stream. The Futures Express, 5,000 each account, Top Step. Never traded Top Step. Blue Sky has almost no rules. Check them out too. Been solid for me. Nice, man. I'll check them out. Austin Tome, do you trade minis on evals? Yeah, I trade minis on evals and funded. I've got all my fundeds currently in a short trade. Hopefully this can come back down. Otherwise, we're gonna pop on up. Anyway, the next one. Jeff Koski, you trade anything else besides NQ? I mostly trade gold myself. Sometimes I'll take a trade on gold or Bitcoin, but not much. Mostly NQ, ES, YM. But literally, NQ is, she's my main squeeze. They just changed to 150 and max you can take it out as 5K. Yeah, you can reach your 10K and then take 50% of that for a 90-10 or 80-20 split. I'm not sure. Nice push down, Nasdaq. We are saved by the big blue candle. I like this momentum, so I'm gonna hang out. And I forgot my other account is, we got stopped out, didn't we? I think I'm just gonna stay out on this one. I mean, I don't want to risk anymore. I have to take a break and trade tomorrow on my top step accounts. But look at that, beautiful. Now we're at break even again, finally. Let's see. Whenever I blow an eval, it's in queue. Hello. Same here, because that's all I trade. Now you get to keep 100% of your profits up to 10K, then take 10%. Oh, yeah, that's true. I remember that. Look at that. Would you just look at that? We're up $15 across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 accounts in this trade. NQ is my main squeeze, man. I like the momentum. You know, whenever in January or March timeline, man, I had a rough time transitioning from Biden markets to Trump markets. I had a horrible time. So I had to gain my bearings and pretty much learn how to trade all over again, because I've never traded a Trump market futures. It's my first one. I traded crypto and Forex. Excuse me. With Trump, but what strategy do you use? I'm a price action trader. Specifically, my favorite trades to take are the 4-hour. I'll take a moment to explain it real quick. But my favorite setup is on the 4-hour. This is trading view. Let me just get rid of the trading sessions here. So I'm looking for long wicks. So this wick is what? Let's see. These are 40 points each. So each one of these is 40 points. So 40, 80, 90, 100, 120, 30, 40, 50, 60, 160, 70, 80, 180 points right here, right? This lets me know that price tried to come down here for 4 hours. It didn't happen. So price is about to boom to the upside. I don't ever trade it to the downside because I don't trust it, because I'm a natural bull. So here's 40, 40, 40, 120 points right here. It's more than 120, but like 130, give or take. And look at that. Boom. Typically, you can get the size of the wick on the upside, right? But you can't stay in if you're trading props, you really can't stay in that long, because I just like to get my 20, 30 points on these trades and call it. Here's one you could have got a little bit, 20, 10 points. Every one of these you see here, I traded them. Even the losing ones. I caught a little bit and then it got stopped out. I love taking my trades to break even, because I get rid of that risk and it's just a free trade from there, right? So anytime I can get in break even, I'll do it, and then if my trade reaches like $100, I typically go to $25 to $50 into the green. I have been trading for 10 years now, almost a decade, since my daughter was 6 months old. But not futures. I've been trading futures for a whole solid year, every day, at least 8 hours a day. Futures, every day for a year. Brent Beavers, it has been a wild year. I am a scalper, and this year has exhausted me emotionally. Yeah, same here, man. I'm a scalper too. I'm looking for 10, 20 points, and I'm out. And hey, I mean, 10, 20 points a day is fine for me. I'm not trying to get rich off the market. I mean, I guess I'm not going to not get rich if I can, but I really just, I make $2,000 a day with my business take home. So I'm not hurting from money. It's been a wild year. Yeah, cam went off. Yeah, sorry, man. My thing, it does it every like 20 minutes. 10 years and only price action strat. Yep, 10 years and only price action strat. Keep it stupid simple. Okay, I see. Crazy to see how many strategies really are out there. You know, any strategy can work. You just got to be consistent with it. My main squeeze is that 4-hour chart, man. I like higher time frame confluence, but what I'm looking for on the smaller time frames, like, let me show you the 1 minute. I'm looking for price to break down. You know how the Nasdaq just moves in waves, right? Look at all these waves. Just find a wave and jump on for the ride. You start seeing wicks. You can take a wick trade every time you see a wick, and just manage your risk, and you can make some money. Wicks are where it's at, man. And typically I'm trading to the upside, but you can do it both ways. I mean, these wicks are pretty significant. Meditation Cloud, welcome to my channel. Appreciate your subscription. I mean, you catch the reversals right here. See this? And, you know, sometimes a wick doesn't do what it's supposed to. It just shows a little bit of a rejection. And that's what I'm after, right? So I'm also looking for I look left. A good example. Price, you know, tends to kind of work in waves, right? So we're right here right now in this little area where price is building up to go the opposite direction. A lot of times you'll see like a curve, some sort of curvature, and that's letting you know it's going the opposite direction. So the reason why I'm in these trades now that we're in to the short side is because we're starting to get that little bit of curvature in price action, like on the 30-minute here, especially here, 30-minute. It's looking really bearish to me. But we've kind of been doing the same chop to the upside though, so it doesn't have to play out that way. But you see what I mean? Like, it's kind of slow. It was ripping up, and then it's got to come down. What goes up must come down at some point. It doesn't have to come down forever, but it's got to come down, right? I like these long, beautiful, big green bars or red bars because I'm trading the opposite. I'm looking for a reversal. So I don't really just trade one strategy. Overall, it's price action, but I'm looking for more. I'm looking for a few things. Where do you enter after a wick close? Yeah, as soon as the 4-hour chart closes, I'll watch it for a second and then take my entry. I just want to see the direction, the momentum of the candle, the next candle. If it looks like it's pushing up, I'm going to jump in soon. A lot of times, though, I like to do it with a micro. I'll scale in just one micro. If it goes against me, if it starts to go in against me, I'll wait to scale in until it reaches halfway mark of the previous candle or the previous wick, and then I'll scale in a third one at the very bottom of the wick, and then just ride it. And then whenever it breaks even, get in more. Sometimes it does, like it'll come against you for a while. It's a really good strategy, and it works 90+% of the time. Just do some back testing with it. Trust me, it works. It's crazy how well it works. I may start streaming my trading too. I just started an online ministry. Check out my new channel on all platforms. Bed for me, wishing green P&L for everyone. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. God bless you. Thanks for hanging out. Wishing green for you too, sir. I'll check out your channel. Opening it now. Brent Beavers. The Relentless Beaver. 120 subs. I was at 120 subs a few weeks ago, man. God carried me through fire and bullets. Trauma turned into testimony. God called, I answered. Launch. I'll check it out, man. Thank you. Stretch this on out. Another good sign is we're getting a lot of wicks to the upside, right? Less wicks to the downside. So price is trying to come up, but it really can't hold. There's just so much that I look for, man. Well, we're at 740 subscribers. 741. Let's see. Catch up on the chat. Tambo transformation. What's your winning rate? How many trades do you like to take? Hey Paul, how you doing? Since you're waiting for that wick to be made, where would you usually enter at? I enter most of the time as soon as the candle, as soon as that 4 hours, the 4 hour candle closes. I'm in, like 1 micro or something. What's my win rate? Here, let's just look at my top stat win rate. Let's see, it's like 63% right now. My average is between 60 and 80. I've been trading a lot of micros lately. Scaling into positions. Just taking a break from trading, really. But here's my stats. I had a rough week a couple weeks ago. Here's the next. This week's looking okay. We were up 1,000 something on this week so far, but average about $1,000 a week per account. Took my very first Top Step payout last week. First Top Step account I ever had too, by the way. Jeff Koski, I have a YouTube channel but don't stream much at all. It's mostly for uploading videos. I take border collies recently doing scent work classes. Nice. Kevlo, hello John, great to see you live. How's it going? It's good, man. Good to see you too. Haven't seen your name come across in a while. Geo Torres, without being able to see where liquidity is, you're basically just gambling, assuming certain candles have liquidity because of wicks, 90% win rate, plus 10 years trading. Yeah, something isn't adding up. I mean, you can, I don't even know how to respond to that. My 4 hour wick strategy, man, it's just back test it. Have a look at it. It's not a guess. Not a guess at all. I mean, just look at all these wicks. I mean, it barely went against you here. It barely here. You can get 10, 20 points out of each one minimum. This one right here I took, but I lost it. I'm sure I covered, if I remember correctly, I broke even. I mean, this one right here, it barely went against you and then shot up. Right here, I took this one too. There's another one right here somewhere. Right here. Boom. I mean, something's not adding up. If you want to be Mr. Detective, by all means, detective your way wherever you want to be, man. But anyway, whatever works. Yeah, I mean, any strategy can work. 10 years trading doesn't mean I've been trading futures for 10 years. I haven't been trading futures for 10 years. I've been trading futures for 1 year and 8 hours a day for the last year, literally. But I don't owe an explanation to anyone, Mr. Torres. I appreciate you hanging out and talking with us, but if you're going to, get granular with me, then I'd appreciate if you just shut up. Saad Asali, welcome to the stream. Fluidity, welcome to the stream. One of my strats is trading 5-minute inside candles in gold. Any strategy can work, man. I'm just saying my 4 hour strategy is pretty dope. I like my 4 hour strategy. It works. It works for me. And whatever you want to, yeah, I don't want to ban him because whatever. He's just being him, I guess. Where's Geo? He needs to. People need to hear God, man. I don't know. He looks like a young guy. I'm 37 years old. I don't have time for stupid stuff, man. Oh no, I have an opinion. LMAO. What's your opinion? Speak it. You're allowed. What's your strategy? Where's your Lambo, Geo? Well, I was just gonna pull out a bunch of $100 bills, $100 bills, but yeah, I don't have them on me. They're in my truck. Never in my life has someone got on my stream and just talked a bunch of crap like this, man. I don't understand. Anyway, you're distracting me. I need to watch my trade. Jesus banned haters out of his audience, but you are right, John. Let him learn. Geo is an ICT guy. Massey. I can't trade guy. Tambo transformation. What kind of truck can go grab that for you? It's a white F250. I also have a white F350. We have a Jeep. Tariffs just kicked in. Let's see if the market reacts. Hope so. I'm in a short position on 8 accounts currently. There's always going to be haters, man. It is what it is. I don't really care. I'm not here to prove anything. I'm here to hang out and talk and trade. That's it. I don't care. No, I'm not your Rips or Patrick Whelan. I don't make hundreds of thousands of dollars trading the market. I make small money. 1,000, 2,000, 5,000. Are you on NQ or MNQ? This is NQ. I'm fixing to be in my bed. God bless you, Gio Torres, by the way. ICT means I can't trade. Yeah, man, of course. Order flow, and I'm not talking crap, and no, I don't trade ICT. Also, I'm a Christian, LO. You're misleading people, that's why I called you out. I'm not misleading anyone. What are you talking about? How am I misleading anybody? I think you're misunderstanding something I said. I'm learning order flow, by the way. I find it very interesting. Compounding small hits with multiple accounts can really do damage in the long run. Yeah, it can, but it can also do really good. I have a limit, you know. I manage risk. I don't want to lose too much. You looking to short into 23,350 areas? I don't know. I don't know where price is going, man. I just like the way Wait, does ICT suck? Some video popped up for me. No, ICT doesn't necessarily suck. Any trade style can work, man. You just gotta manage risk. I don't trade, by the way. Well, you should learn it. It's fun. Back to you, Gio. Man, I'm not trying to mislead anybody. I get on here to hang out, have fun, trade a little bit the way I trade. I mean, if you don't like it, you don't have to watch it. But I'm glad you're a Christian. It makes me feel really good. And that's another reason why I started this. I like to share the gospel. I want people to let me pray for having an opposing view. I have no problem with you having an opposing view, but I think you misunderstood something I said because I'm not misleading anyone. What time frame are you using? This is the 30-minute. I'm hoping I don't get stopped out here, though.
Order filled.
And it looks like we just did. Hoping it'd be another rejection down here. No problem, brother. I'm all for debate and opposing views, but when you say that I'm misleading people, I'm not misleading anyone. Edgar Leon, then GOT, you already shared your view. One time is enough. He didn't share his view. He didn't say how I was misleading people. I'm not misleading anyone. And if I said something misleading, I think it might have been a mistake. I'm not trying to mislead anyone. It's not my intentions, I can assure you that. Geo Torres, thank God it's a free country. Amen, brother. I agree 100%. That's why I haven't banned you, because I mean, if you are entitled to your opinion, but if you feel like I've misled anyone, then tell me how. That's what I'm trying to understand. I'm not misleading anyone. Geo, there are hundreds of ways to trade. Just because someone doesn't trade the way you want them to doesn't make what they're doing wrong, as long as you backtest your strategy and it's profitable. Geo, definitely backtest that 4 hour. I'm telling you, man. Check it out. That's all that matters. Just ban him. No, I'm not going to ban him. Wait, you got stopped out and went back in? Why does it put you down to 180 right away? No, this is I was in like 8 different accounts currently short. Now I'm in 7. The stop was a little too tight on that one. I didn't say he wasn't trading incorrectly. I want to chat with you, but without ignorant fools bringing Jesus and God into it. It's just plain disrespectful to God. Not referring to you, just some chat members. No, I didn't see anyone being disrespectful, man. I'm not trying to be disrespectful. I thought you were trying to be disrespectful to me, to be honest with you, at first. But how about you just join my Discord there? Excuse me. There's a link right there. Send me a message, man. Not being misleading, and it's possible that you heard something and maybe misheard it, but I'm definitely not. I feel like you are critiquing my length of trade history versus something. I don't know. Edgar, I'm here to learn too, brother. Geo the Thomas Doubter. Oh, I know what you're talking about Thomas in the Bible, huh? Let's not go there, man. Let's keep it clean and respectful. Daniel said NQ is getting ready to come down. I feel like the same. I feel the same, but at this point, it's really just managing risk, and maybe I'm in too soon. Like I said, ignorant fool, bring Bible references means insult someone. Yeah, I don't disagree, Torres. That's why I said something. We shouldn't say stuff like that. I'm not here to call people names. I'm a respectful person. I love everyone. Like, I legit love and care for everyone in this world. That's why I have this cross here. And a lot of times I'll see a cross come up on the chart. That's one reason why I love trading. It's because I always get reminded of the sacrifice, that was made for our sins, right? This cross means something to me, and I want people to hear it. And if I can build a small audience behind my trading, that's why I do it online. And honestly, man, I'm 100% still learning. I'm not your Patrick Whelan, Rips, or all the big guys. I'm nothing like them. I don't make as much money as they do. I'm here to make more money, obviously, but I don't have time anymore to be full-time trading every day like I was for the last year. Over the last month now, I fired everyone in my business, so I've been working my business every day. So I trade on an iPad, and that's another reason why I've been liking Top Step a lot, because it's pretty simple on the iPad. But anyway, I'm here to learn too, man. It's really nothing serious here. Nothing here is financial advice. I'm not trying to teach people. I'm just showing people what I trade and what I like, what I see in the market. That's it, man. Not trying to mislead anyone. Not trying to do anything wrong. I have no intentions of hurting anyone. I tell people to not copy my trades. You shouldn't. You should take your own trades, because your own mind. You know what I mean? But I agree. Referencing the Bible to make fun of you is not. That's what I wanted to know. Boom, beef squash. Man, you could have asked that a long time ago, brother. You said something's not adding up with my 10 years trading. I'm a Forex guy, coming from Forex to futures. I left Forex over a year ago. And heck, I only trade during the winter because that's when my season is up, you know what I mean? But this year, I've been trading for a full year straight, every day, 8 hours a day, until about a month ago. And there was never any beef, man. All right, we're down 125 per account. 1, 2, 3, and then there's one that I have a couple contracts in. Does anyone think this is gonna go short? It's got to, right? We're at 37 likes. 13 more and we'll give away an Apex account. All right, man. Good luck. I'm out of here. See you, Tambo. Yeah, no, Forex is not it. Futures is much cleaner. I agree. The order flow is definitely worth learning. It can be implemented into your price action strat. So Forex, the problem I had with it is I was focused on two pairs, right? USD, JPY, for example. You got to worry about news for JPY, Japanese yen. You got to worry about USD news. It was just too much, way too much. Produced by Nate. I like the name, bro. Forex is quite scammy as well with brokers. Oh yeah, 100%. It's not regulated as much like futures. They can pretty much manipulate all they want, really. I will say I've made a lot of money with Forex. Trading was more of like a hobby for me the first little while, but this is the first year I've really like taken it like complete serious. Literal. When I started trading futures, I was more dialed in. I was able to. I was at a point in my business where I was making a lot of money, not doing anything, literally nothing to do except for answer the phone here and there. Might as well put that effort into trading. Yep, that's why I switched to futures just today. Bought my first Top Step account and hoping for the best. Congrats, man. I hope it works out. My first Top Step, I got to pay out. Here, I'll show you. If I can figure out how to show it. I'm new to Top Step, so... Let's see. I got into Top Step because they had that little... I paid like $1 for that account. Literally. Paid $1 for the account and boom. Let's see. Payouts. Yeah, there it is. I took a $850 payout. It was my very first Top Step account. Passed it in a few days and took the payout July 30th. Got paid August 4th. About 5 days. Not terrible. About the same as Apex. Yeah, you get like a pretty good discount on the first account, but they're not expensive. It's like $50 for an account on Top Step. Not bad at all, but the activation fee is what gets you. God bless, 850 would do me good right now. Well, I hope you make it, sir. In spirit of transparency, too, that was my first payout in 2 months. I've had to relearn trading with all this volatility we've had, man. It's just been insane. I started trading prop firms in January. Forex prop firms are crazy expensive in comparison. Are they? I've never traded a Forex prop firm. I've never traded prop firms until January of this year. Before that, I lost a lot of money. I lost $10,000 as soon as Trump became president. Between March 1st and April something. I'm pretty sure those dates are correct. Could be wrong slightly, but I lost like 10 grand. 10 to 12 grand. Actual live cash. God bless you, brother. I came across this stream tonight from a place of good spirits. I like trading. I've blown a lot of prop evals lately. Just got another My Fun of Future eval, and I'm in drawdown. But I'm glad I'm not the only one. Yeah, man, I go through it too. We all go through it. Getting used to the Trump market was pretty tough on me. I was doing really well, and then one day I lost like 30K in a day. That was one tilt day. I was like, man, I can get through this. You do it so long, and you do it right. You make money, and you get out of it, but then just something changed. The market changed. 100.1 second candles changed. And I lost a lot of money, man. Ghost RX, we're all together. God bless you. Namai Prasad, I was looking for your name to pop up, brother. How you doing? I'm starting to love the God thing here. Like, everyone's God bless you. And I love it, man. It's what my intentions were with this trading channel. Look at there, we're up $15 per account, $5 per account now. And we were down what, $200-300 per account. Doing good, brother. Good to see you as well. Now you see me, now you don't. Now you see me. I had no intentions of staying live for 2 hours, to be honest with you. But this trade and this market situation we're in, didn't want to miss it. And I'm trading my funded accounts. We have to pull them back here. Come on, Nasdaq, give us something good. Patience pays, guys. My entry's at 88. My stop is like less than 20 points up. Do you trade ES? Sometimes, yeah. ES and Nasdaq, pretty much the same, honestly. Earlier today, I had a good spiritual conversation with a new neighbor. I'm blessed to have them. That's awesome, man. Glad to hear. Okay, I'm going to sleep. Man, wish you luck. And once again, God bless you. Thank you, man. I hope to see you again some of the time. We're up 1, 2, 3, 4, $450. Nice. All right, this short's starting to work out. I'm going to switch down to the 5-minute time frame here and start managing trades, because it looks like we're about to get some momentum here, hopefully. Geotours, I usually don't trade during this time because there's news at 1 a.m. It usually just chops around till news. Yeah. I have a specific bias in mind. I'm not looking to capture a lot, to be honest with you. I'm not the... I don't hold trades too long. I can't. I need to work on that, though. It's something I need to get better at, for sure. Go ahead and take my hundo. I'm not a perfect trader, man, but I try. Look at that rip down. Nice.
Order filled.
If I can catch it before it goes away. It's like playing video games, right?
Order filled.
Nice. Funded accounts. I'm just going to flatten all.
Order filled.
And just like that, I've got my 20 points or more. I don't even know how many that was. That's probably like 15, but still. The MyPer side, lately I haven't liked NQ. I traded gold today and it was so nice. It was very steady. Gold just moves way too much for me, man. It nerves me out. I can't handle it. I don't know why. Some days, though, it doesn't really do much, so I don't know. I've been trading NQ for a while, and I just really feel like sticking to one instrument is the best. Daniel, I called it. Yeah, so did I, man. I've been in that trade for a long time. Give me some credit too, sir. Geo Torres, God bless, man. Good scalp. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. And I'm done for the night. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $1,200. One trade. 2 trades. ES and chill. RJ. My wife calls Nasdaq Nesquik. Juan Ochoa, let's go. Yes, sir. Patience pays, right? I mean, we got in the trade where right here. I don't remember. Kind of can't tell. All right, so yeah, we got in the trade about right here. I think. I'm not 100% sure. At 489, and we got out at 481, so 8 points. Not terrible. What's this one? Did I scale in? I don't know. I'll catch another 10, 20 points tomorrow, hopefully, and maybe make some more money here. Let the haters hate, base hits get the job done. Yeah, man. I don't think anyone was trying to hate, man. I think there was just a little confusion, but we're going to get past it. I like Mr. Geo. He's a cool guy. I don't know if you were specifically meaning all that drama from the beginning there, but we're all good. We're all good. Geo, man, I'm sorry all that happened, man. I hope everything's good. Look, we could have stayed in this trade a little longer. It's probably going to bear flag down. But I want to go to bed, so hope you guys have a good night. Don't forget to give God thanks in the good and the bad. Peace. Thanks, Kev. Have a good one. Kind of miss his name. Orange Toe was here in the beginning. He was the first person on the stream. Orange Toe. I like that name too, man. All right, guys. You guys have a wonderful night. I'm going to go cuddle my wife and get some Z's. Have a good night. God bless. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.